Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Quantum Forex EA for MT5. It's an automated trading system available on the MQL5 Marketplace. So starting here on the product page, we can see that this is an MT5 expert advisor developed by Vladimir Shumkin, and the EA is currently priced at $50 with a 1-month rental option available for $30. The version shown here is 1.3, which was updated on July 5th, 2025. Looking through the description, the developer presents Quantum Forex EA as a multi-indicator trading system designed for automated trading across a wide range of financial markets. Now, rather than relying on a single indicator, the EA combines 4 commonly used technical tools, including moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. All right. One of the key ideas behind this system is signal confirmation. Instead of requiring every indicator to agree before a trade can be opened, the EA allows traders to define how many indicators must confirm a signal. For example, if all 4 indicators are enabled, users can choose whether 2, 3, or all 4 indicators are required before a trade is considered valid. This adds flexibility and allows the strategy to be adjusted according to different trading preferences. Now, as I continue through the settings section, there are several risk management options available. The EA supports both fixed lot sizing and percentage-based risk calculation, giving traders different ways to manage position sizing. There are also controls for limiting the maximum number of simultaneous trades, along with minimum distance and time filters between orders. For trade management, the EA includes customizable stop loss and take profit values measured in points. These can also be disabled if desired by setting them to 0. Beyond that, there are trailing stop and break-even functions, which can automatically adjust trade protection once positions move into profit. Looking further down, each indicator can be individually enabled or disabled, and the associated parameters can be customized. All right, that includes the moving average settings, the RSI levels, MACD parameters, and Bollinger Band calculations. All right, this level of flexibility allows traders to tailor the system to different markets and testing scenarios. The developer also notes that the EA is compatible with a broad range of instruments, including forex pairs, metals, energies, cryptocurrencies, and indices. Okay, recommended time frames range from M5 through H1, and the product page suggests a starting deposit of $1,000 for stable operation. Okay, so now let's just move into the back testing section as we review the historical testing results. It is important to remember that we are looking at historical analysis rather than future expectations. The purpose of backtesting is to evaluate how a strategy behaved under past market conditions. All right, since we didn't have any provided strategy tester report here, we're just going to go straight to our own strategy tester, and I'm testing the Quantum Forex EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and I am testing over the past 5.5 months from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. As for the delays, I'm using random delay and then every tick modeling. All right, looking at the back tested results here, from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was just 51.72, and out of 123 trades that we are taking, just okay, well, 111 is not just right. 111 we are profitable, so that gave us a 90.24% win rate, and the largest profit was $6.12. Largest loss was $10.12. Average profit $1.55. Average loss $10.03. So that means that the risk to reward ratio is very bad. You can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss is quite significant. Okay, but then looking at the historical chart activity, the EA's behavior should reflect the interaction between the enabled indicators and the selected confirmation threshold, right? Since users can choose how many indicators are required for a signal, different configurations may produce very different historical outcomes. The chart history can also help us observe how stop losses, take profits, trailing stops, and break-even functions influenced position management throughout the testing period. Now, because so many parameters are customizable, the specific results shown here should always be viewed within the context of the settings used during the test. All right. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing multiple instruments and configurations can provide a much broader perspective than a single historical run. So when reviewing the historical testing performance, keep in mind that results can vary based on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization choices. Okay, but then overall, the Quantum Forex EA for MT5 offers a structured multi-indicator approach with extensive customization options, flexible signal confirmation logic, and a comprehensive set of risk management tools. All right. As always, thorough testing and optimization should be completed before considering any live trading application. This EA seems to be the type to fluctuate between holding trades for just a very short time and for a while, because some trades are just lasting for several hours while some seem to last for several days. Okay, anyway, if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.